Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part 6 of question number 1. Again in this case also you have to multiply this binomial with this binomial. So let's multiply this. Before multiplying this with this, let's multiply this with this 4 with both the terms here. So 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square will remain as it is, and when this is multiplied inside the bracket, so this will become 4a square, and this 4 multiplied by this will give 8 by 3b square, because we know that if this is like, so we have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Same case here also. So this 4 will be multiplied by 2, 8, and this 3 will remain as it is. So to solve this, we know that we have to multiply this term with both the terms individually, and after that we have to multiply this term with both the terms individually. So now let's multiply this with this. So this 3 by 4 will be multiplied with 4, and a square will be multiplied with a square. Similarly, this term will be multiplied by this, and plus minus will be negative, and 3 by 4 will be multiplied with 8 by 3, and a square will be multiplied with b square. After that you have to multiply this with both the terms individually. 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12, and a square b square will remain as it is, because these are not same variable. Now you have to multiply this with this, so plus minus will be minus, and 3 will be multiplied by 8 by 3, and b square multiplied by b square. Now let's solve this expression. 4 can be cancelled with 4, and 3 will remain as it is, and these two are like variables, base is same, and these are two are multiplying, so the power will be added. This will become a raised to power 4. 3 can be cancelled 3 with 3. This can be cancelled 2 times, and this will be minus 2 a square b square. This plus 12 a square b square will remain as it is, and at the last 3 will be cancelled with 3, and this will become minus 8, and again the base is same, power will be added. Now to solve further this, we have to find out the like terms. I can see these two as like terms, and the other will remain as it is. So plus minus is minus, so 12 minus 2 is 10 a square b square with positive sign, because greater value has positive sign, and minus b raised to power 4 can be written as it is. So this is the answer for this last part. So this is how you can solve this part. I hope you understood this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact us. The phone number and the email address is given below in the description. Thank you.